Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Little update on the shop today. Last week we had a 67 Firebird Sprint come in the shop, convertible. But something kind of cool about this is it has inline 6, overhead cam, 230 CID, 3.8 liter with a 4-barrel carburetor. The key word here is overhead cam. 1967 to 1972 GM ran that motor. Kind of cool. It's really torquey, I guess. I haven't really driven it much. Did take it on a test drive to realize that he needs a front end completely rebuilt, which we did last week. And the video should be coming out pretty soon. But I kind of want to do a little insert video today to show you a conundrum, I like that word, that we're having with the steering box. So let me get this thing flipped around and I'll show you what we got going on. All right, we got our old steering box sitting over here, and then got our new steering box. One of the problems is there are 4 different steering boxes put in this car, 1967. So finding the right one, the right size, the right ratio, so to say, it was kind of trying. The one that we actually decided on showed up, and I don't know if you can see, or show you real quick. It's just a hair smaller than the other one. But if you line up the actual mounts, if you put the mounts in the right spot, it actually comes out the same, because the key point you're looking for on your steering box is point of contact with your rag joint to the column and your pitman arm placement to your steering link. So kind of key issues there. So this was in the right spot, the right distance from the mounts to the rag joint, which, by the way, we went through 3 different rag joints. So you'd think it'd be easy just to measure the output shaft at 3/4 inches and count the teeth at 31. But some guys said they didn't make it, some guys they don't have it. We tried a 36, thinking because there was a flat spot on the shaft that maybe 31 is it, minus those 5 that are missing because they flattened it off. It is a reconditioned gearbox, so we're thinking maybe they just ground that flat, because the original one does not have a flat spot in it. So anyway, basically, kind of things to pay attention to is the distance from your mounts to your shaft, input shaft, and then for your rag joint, and then the pitman arm placement.